This is what you want to listen to when you're riding. Look at that little dog going. I'm gonna race him. That dog didn't have a chance. Woo! What I listen to. Some people listen to music while they ride. You want to hear what I listen to? Here it is. That's a bad intersection. I hate this place. I can't see it till you're almost on them. This is what I listen to right here, is the engine sound. I come out here and ride, and the reason I ride is to get away from all the crap, the hustle, bustle, the work life, all that stuff. Anything that aggravates me just melts away. As this odometer ticks by, all my troubles tick by. And that's what you gotta just, why would you want music? I don't know. I guess if you had a Harley, yeah, it sounds so crappy, I guess you'd have to, but if you got a good 4-cylinder like this, man, listen to it. It's just calming. And this is what I do to just melt my frustrations and whatever out. Just come out here and ride. Change some gears. But you gotta love that sound right there, right? Just relax, and this is why I ride. Just get over all the life. Leave your work behind, everything behind. Just ride. And I never understood them. I guess group rides are cool, but it seems like that's getting more stress into them. You know what I mean? They a friendly looking sort. But I just like getting out here by myself and just chilling. Taking a few of these corners, you know. Don't do nothing stupid, nothing fast. Just kind of, you know, chilling. It's fun. This is what you want to listen to when you're riding. Look at that little dog going. I'm gonna race him. That dog didn't have a chance. Woo! Hell yeah! That's what you listen to. Just have fun. Get out here and have fun. Life's too short, man. I didn't start riding until my late 40s. And I wish I'd have done it earlier. I was always nervous about it. Still am. Somebody tried to kill me earlier today, but dude, just have fun. Get on the bike, listen to the music of the engine. Weird stuff like the little dog grunting, you know. That stuff is just, I don't know, it's just fun. Everybody stares at you when you go by like them poor guys building fences. I'm glad it's not me. Built my share in my life. They're jealous right now. You know it. Just get something. You can buy them old Nighthawks for hardly anything. Them old 650, 750 Nighthawks. Man, they're cheap. Fun way to start. A couple grand. You got a bike. Insurance is cheap. Just get out here and ride. Have fun. Melt your troubles away. You know? I mean, that's a lot of bike for the price of them old Nighthawks from the 80s and 90s. So just get out and have fun.